welcome back to A Foreborn Life. Today we are going to look at what was thrifted. And today I'm going to be bringing you into my home where I have done something I've always wanted to do, and I did it. So I've always admired people who have been able to create a wall of masks, and slowly I started collecting masks, and so these masks have come from thrift stores, and I finally have enough where I can start making it look like something. So most of these masks said that they were made in Ghana, and I did purchase them in a thrift store. This mask right here, it took me a long time before I would put it up because I thought it was a little scary. And so that's why it's down so low, because I think it would really sort of freak me out a little bit if I come out of my office and I'm standing here and it's this face staring at me. So I put this one down a little bit lower. And this right here, this mask up here, my daughter made in the 3rd grade, and she is now 37, and I still have the beautiful artwork that she made. It was in my office, but when I started putting this together, I felt like it needed something else. So I went and I took this mask because it was in my office, and I stuck it up here. She also has another mask that she made out of construction paper. It's a little faded. I might have to, try to do something to maybe bring it back to life, but maybe it will be added to this wall. And I recently found this deer, and I've always wanted a deer head. I actually was going to put the deer head up in the room that I call my grandchildren's room, but I decided when I started putting this together, I thought the deer head would look great up there. And what made me finally go ahead and put this all together was I found this wooden plaque from the thrift store, and I thought it would help to pull this all together. Of course, I still have empty space, and I'm still deciding on what else to add to it. I might add some of my own artwork because, as I've stated before, there's an artist within me. And I do like to create art. I like to draw, I like to paint, and I might add some of the things that I have made up here. So how much did these things actually cost? The wall panel was $9.99. It was still brand new. It's not vintage, but it was $9.99. The mask, the scary mask, was $4.99. as well as these other 3 masks. They were all $4.99 each. They were all from the thrift store. Of course, my daughter, when she was in the 3rd grade, made the tiger mask. And then the deer head was $7.99. It was also from the thrift store. The mirror I purchased from an estate sale for $5. And then this lower cabinet, it was also purchased from an estate sale, and it was $15. I hope you like this brief little video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching.